Hey, what's up guys? Bringing you today the Poetic Affinity. It's Galaxy Note 10 Plus here. Shout out to Poetic for sending this over to me. They've been really great. They always get back to you. They are very, very professional over there. It's out of San Francisco. So let's bust this open. Let's check it out. Case there. Let's see. There's their card. Little bridge there, golden great. All right, let's bust this open. Usual Poetic signature design there. See, it has like almost like a snake skin kind of feeling there. It's pretty cool. Ridges inside, cutouts for the camera. Let's check this install. Looks pretty easy. Simple. This is the easiest one I've ever installed. You usually have to peel through layers and layers. Here we go. Camera cutouts. Speakers, microphone, USB Type-C charging port there. S Pen. Let's check out the access. Easy access to the S Pen. No problem. Got your volume rocker on the side here. Power Bixby button. It's pretty nice overall, as usual. Feels really slim and nice, not all bulky like most cases. Let's see, let me check out the lift on it there. Got pretty easy access, so here we go. Drop protection a little bit. Again, very nice case. Yeah, the design is really slim, not much bigger than the phone, so. There we have it, Poetic Affinity for the Galaxy Note 10. All right, guys, so I also was sent over the Galaxy Note 10, the regular Poetic case. This is the Guardian. Now, the Guardians provide a little bit more protection. Got the card here, it's in the box. I don't have the Note 10, I have the 10 Plus, so I'm gonna leave that styrofoam in there to give you a little bit of a reference. So you're going to peel that back all the way around, pop the phone in, and put it back on for that extra layer of protection. This does have the volume rocker and the Bixby button, camera cutout, mic cutout, speakers. It has a flap here for the USB Type-C charging, S Pen access, another microphone there, and that is the Poetic Gaurdian for the Galaxy Note 10. And it looks like the elevation on the screen protection is here for drop protection as far as the screen goes. Let's slide that under there a little bit more. And the styrofoam it sticks out a little farther than the screen's going to stick out, so that's pretty good. And that slid right under there. That's how thick that is. Affinity. It's a sleeker model. The Guardian, while still being sleek, it is more protection. Pick these up. I will send the link, put a link in the description below to both of these cases. This is V. I'm out.